Hello. Very slowly over the next few days, the weather will become a little less intense, less severe, and there won't be as many warnings around. Having said that, out there today, it's still very wintry. We do still have warnings in force for the snow in places. Ice is a big hazard as well, and there is still a bitterly cold wind blowing, mostly coming in from the east, bringing more snow across northeast England and eastern Scotland through the central belt too. Further south, we've got patchy snow, but it could be quite heavy at times over eastern parts of Wales and the Midlands, and a mixture of rain and snow across the far south, making things very icy indeed, with temperatures again in quite a few places at or below freezing. Signs of something a bit milder maybe in the far southwest. As I say, we do still have warnings in force, and we'll continue to see some snow across these central parts of England, Wales, parts of the east too overnight. More in the way of rain across the far south, as temperatures here may well stay above freezing. But elsewhere, again, a bitterly cold, frosty old night with things turning potentially quite icy once more. Now, we've still got the easterly winds. We'll take a look at the big picture. Low pressure systems, though, trying to push up from the southwest, trying to introduce milder air. And if you follow the isobars, they no longer point all the way up to Siberia. They point a little further south. So the air is ever so slightly turning less cold as we go through the weekend. But whenever you've got an easterly wind blowing off the North Sea in March, it's still going to feel raw, and it will continue to bring snow showers across the northeast, especially eastern parts of Scotland throughout the weekend. Further south, weather fronts trying to push north, but fizzling out, and actually for many, Saturday could well be a dry day. Quite misty and murky in places, and rain showers in the southwest, because here temperatures will have reached the dizzy heights of 5 or 6 degrees Celsius. Elsewhere, most places getting above freezing, but still feeling cold with that wind, and these temperatures still well below average for the early part of March. Saturday evening sees more rain showers across parts of the south. Elsewhere, again, a few snow showers across the northeast, but many places dry, maybe misty and murky in a few places. Some fog patches are possible as temperatures once again fall sharply, but not as sharply across the south, continuing to very slowly turn a little bit milder here into Sunday. Now, we're going to watch this band of wet weather pushing north on Sunday. That may well have some snow mixed in still across these central areas. Mostly rain across the far south, more snow showers in northeast Scotland on that easterly wind. But look at the temperatures by Sunday, 3 to 7 degrees, maybe 9 in the far southwest. Still below average for most, but an awful lot milder than it has been. So slowly but surely, the weather turning a little less cold, particularly as we go into next week, and less severe. There won't be as many warnings issued, but we do still have warnings in force at the moment. You can see those through our app. And even though the outlook is less cold, it doesn't really look as if you can say spring is anywhere near the horizon.